I'm going to show you how you can fix Duolingo mic not working. Now I'm going to show you both methods for iOS and Android. First off, for Android, you just have to go to your settings here, and then on settings, you want to find an option called privacy protection. Just tap on that. Now on here, tap on microphone. Now once you're on your microphone here, let's just wait for it to load. Now once it's load, you need to find the app called Duolingo, obviously, right? So let's just scroll down until we find a Duolingo app. There it is, Duolingo. Now on Duolingo, make sure right now my option is don't allow, right? But if you want it to work, then of course you'll have to make it to allow only while using the app. And then that's it. It should fix it. Now let's move on over to iOS. For iOS, the process will be similar. First off, you have to go to settings. Now on settings, you want to scroll down and you want to find something called privacy and security. Tap on that. Now on here, you want to scroll down and then you want to head on over to microphone. Now on microphone, make sure Duolingo is turned on right there. If it's turned off like this, then Duolingo will be able to access your mic. So turn it on like this. Now once you turn it on, you may need to restart your phone, both on Android and both on iOS. But after that's done, Duolingo should now work properly again with microphone access enabled yet again.